Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Hello, this is Rosemont Alade Brown, aka Akuapem Poloo. I just woke up from my bed. You know how it feels. Sleeping on my bed at long last, straight from jail. I'm here to say a big sorry to the individuals who didn't hear me mention their name, but yet still they supported me with their voice, their donation, their support, and lots. Please, you know I was out of service, so I didn't know all of you that supported me. I'm here to say a big thanks to you, each and everyone who supported me, knowing and unknowing, the big people, the celebrities, the media personnel, my fans in Ghana, outside Ghana, everyone who contributed to my release. God bless you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm so grateful. Please forgive me if you didn't hear me mention your name. Just know that your girl here is always grateful. And I love you all. I love you. Kiss, kiss.